Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Truthy. Hope you guys are having a good day. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to control its creation and management, rather than relying on central authorities. Over the course of Bitcoin's history, it has undergone rapid growth to become a significant currency both on and offline. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss where did Bitcoin come from. Are you excited? Me too. So let's find out. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a new currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions are made with no middleman, meaning no banks. Bitcoin can be used to book hotels on Expedia, shop for furniture on Overstock, and buy Xbox games. But much of the hype is about getting rich by trading it. The price of Bitcoin skyrocketed into the thousands in 2017. Why Bitcoin? Bitcoin can be used to buy merchandise anonymously. In addition, international payments are easy and cheap because Bitcoins are not tied to any country or subject to regulation. Small businesses may like them because there are no credit card fees. Some people just buy Bitcoin as an investment, hoping they'll go up in value. Buying Bitcoins. Buy on an exchange. Many marketplaces called Bitcoin exchanges allow people to buy or sell Bitcoins using different currencies. Coinbase is a leading exchange along with Bitstamp and Bitfinex, but security can be a concern. Bitcoin's worth of tens of millions of dollars were stolen from Bitfinex when it was hacked in 2016. Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoins are stored in a digital wallet, which exists either in the cloud or on a user's computer. The wallet is a kind of virtual bank account that allows users to send or receive Bitcoins, pay for goods, or save their money. Unlike bank accounts, Bitcoin wallets are not insured by the FDIC. Prehistory. Prior to the release of Bitcoin, there were a number of digital cash technologies, starting with the issuer-based eCash protocols of David Chaum and Stefan Brands. The idea that solutions to computational puzzles could have some value was first proposed by cryptographers Cynthia Dwork and Monty Nauer in 1992. The idea was independently rediscovered by Adam Black, developed Hashcash, a proof-of-work scheme for spam control, in 1997. The first proposals for distributed digital scarcity based on cryptocurrencies were Wade Dye's B-Money and Nick Bazo's BitGold. Hal Finney developed reusable proof-of-work using Hashcash as its proof-of-work algorithm. In the BitGold proposal, which proposed a collectible market-based mechanism for inflation control, Nick Bazo also investigated some additional aspects, including a Byzantine fault-tolerant agreement protocol based on quorum, addresses to store and transfer the chain proof-of-work solutions, which was vulnerable to Sybil attacks though. Creation. On 18th of August 2008, the domain name bitcoin.org was registered later that year. On 31st October, a link to a paper authored by Satoshi Nakamoto titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was posted to a cryptography mailing list. This paper detailed methods of using a peer-to-peer network to generate what was described as a system for electronic transactions without relying on trust. On 3rd of January 2009, the Bitcoin network came into existence, with Satoshi Nakamoto mining the Genesis block of Bitcoin, block number 0, which had a reward of 50 Bitcoins. Embedded in the Coinbase of this block was the text, "The Times, January 3, 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." The text refers to a headline in the Times published on 3rd of January 2009. This note has been interpreted as both timestamp of the Genesis date and a derisive comment on the instability caused by fractional reserve banking. The first open-source Bitcoin client was released on 9th of January 2009, hosted at SourceForge. One of the first supporters, adopters, contributors to Bitcoin, and receiver of the first Bitcoin transaction was programmer Hal Finney. Finney downloaded the Bitcoin software the day it was released and received 10 Bitcoins from Nakamoto in the world's first Bitcoin transaction on 12th of January 2009, block 170. Other early supporters were Wade Dye, creator of Bitcoin predecessor B-Money, and Nick Bazo, creator of Bitcoin predecessor BitGold. In the early days, Nakamoto is estimated to have mined 1 million Bitcoins before disappearing from any involvement in Bitcoin. Nakamoto, in a sense, handed over the reins to developer Gavin Anderson, who then became the Bitcoin lead developer at the Bitcoin Foundation, the anarchic Bitcoin community's closest thing to an official public face. The value of the first Bitcoin transactions were negotiated by individuals on the Bitcoin forum, with one notable transaction of 10,000 Bitcoins used to indirectly purchase 2 pizzas delivered by Papa John's. On 6th of August 2010, a major vulnerability in the Bitcoin protocol was spotted. Transactions weren't properly verified before they were included in the transaction log or blockchain, which lets users bypass Bitcoin's economic restrictions and create an indefinite number of Bitcoins. On 15th of August, the vulnerability was exploited. Over 184 billion Bitcoins were generated in a transaction and sent to 2 addresses on the network. Within hours, the transaction was spotted and erased from the transaction log after the bug was fixed and the network forked to an updated version of the Bitcoin protocol. This was the only major security flaw found and exploited in Bitcoin's history. Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is presumed to be a pseudonym for the person or people who designed the original Bitcoin protocol in 2008 and launched the network in 2009. Nakamoto was responsible for creating the majority of the official Bitcoin software and was active in making modifications and posting technical information on the Bitcoin forum. There has been much speculation as to the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, with suspects including Dai, Sbazo, and Finney, and accompanying denials. The possibility that Satoshi Nakamoto was a computer collective in the European financial sector has also been discussed in investigations into the real identity of Satoshi Nakamoto were attempted by the New Yorker and Fast Company. The New Yorker's investigation brought up at least 2 possible candidates, Michael Clear and Vili Ledenverta. Fast Company's investigation brought up circumstantial evidence linking an encryption patent application filed by Neil King, Vladimir Oxman, and Charles Bry on August 15, 2008. In the Bitcoin.org domain name, which was registered 72 hours later. The patent application contained networking and encryption technologies similar to Bitcoin's, and textual analysis revealed that the phrase "computationally impractical to reverse" appeared in both the patent application and Bitcoin's white paper. All 3 inventors explicitly denied being Satoshi Nakamoto in May 2013. Ted Nelson speculated that Japanese mathematician Shinichi Mochizuki is Satoshi Nakamoto. Later in 2013, the Israeli researchers Dorit Ron and Adir Shamir pointed to the Silk Road-linked Ross William Urbich as the possible person behind the cover. The 2 researchers based their suspicion on an analysis of the network of Bitcoin transactions. These allegations were contested, and Ron and Shamir later retracted their claim. Nakamoto's involvement with Bitcoin does not appear to extend past mid-2010. In April 2011, Nakamoto communicated with a Bitcoin contributor, saying that he had moved on.
And then when you put telecom engineer in there, that makes pretty zero-end kind of thing.
So guys, this was all today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video. Do hit the like button down there, comment down your views, and do share with more of your friends. See ya and take care.